Hi, I'm Melissa Cookston, and today I am making cured pork belly. Now, I've cut this one in half because it's easier for home purpose, but I also want to show you that pork belly is where we get our bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? So this is a half pork belly. Now, I use a sodium nitrite to cure my pork. You don't have to use sodium nitrite to cure, but it is more safe to use for curing foods. You don't have to worry about all those nasty botulisms and things like that because it does take time to cure meat. So I do use sodium nitrites to cure. And I just buy this online. I do the skin side as well. I'll end up using probably about a half a cup. Now on the meat side, I will use brown sugar because I'm making a brown sugar maple cure. You can really use any kind of flavors you want. That's the good thing about cures is you can individualize them to your taste. Next, I'm gonna put on some chili powder. And finally, some oregano. I just pat that in really well. I place that in a plastic bag. And I take some maple syrup. Pour it on top. Seal it, let it begin its curing process. I'll leave it in this plastic bag, flipping it every day for 3 days because I want this to be half cured for our porchetta. So, the first thing we're gonna do is wash that off thoroughly, and we're gonna take our grill and shake. Make sure we get it seasoned properly. Then we're gonna take our herb blend. So after we put our herb blend down, we're going to put a layer of prosciutto. I love prosciutto. Then we're just gonna lay our pork tenderloin right in the center of that. And we're gonna start rolling our pork belly to create a nice round porchetta. And then I wanna season the outside really well too. Then you'll want to get your butcher's twine. And you're going to need a lot longer piece of twine than you think. I just slide it under the end of my porchetta. Measuring. I create a knot on the end. Our porchetta has been cooking at 250 degrees for 5 hours, so it should be done. Let's check and see. Beautiful. We're gonna let our porchetta rest for about 30 minutes and then it'll be ready to slice.